Comments are very important elements in coding in general, in any language. Any computer programming language has its own way for adding comments, and comments actually have different functions. The comments are used to clarify or explain each statement. Another function is to deactivate certain lines during designing or testing a code. Finally, it is to organize code by adding decorative elements like dividing lines. So it is like to make your code more readable. And we have two types of comment in Python. The first style is, or the first method is the one-line comments. That means we add only one line. For example, it could be this way. This comment will not be executed. So if you press enter, actually nothing happens because it's a comment. But actually comments are not used frequently during the work on the idle shell or the interpreter directly. Comments are more useful actually in scripts, in code. So for example, we can enter here and say so this is a comment, and this is the most common way to use it. One line comment could be also added to the same line with code, conversion equation. So if we run the code now and we put any number, so as you see, the comments have no effects. They are just explanation for what's going on in the code. Also, they could be deactivate simple lines. For example, if I don't want to see the value of the temperature in Fahrenheit, so I can deactivate the print statements. As you see, the color has changed. If we run the code and enter a number like 65, it's not working. The single line comments also can be used for dividing the code, like for example, yeah, so that could be a section in the code by using multiple characters or lines and so on. Multiple line comments are used to write a block of comments. First, we type three quotation marks, three consecutive quotation marks. So as you see here, once I typed the three quotation marks, the color has changed. And next line we start typing. Then I can close the block with three consecutive quotation marks. Quotation marks could be single or double, no problem. So for example, I can replace them with three quotation marks. Also, this type of multiple line is used especially in user-defined functions, and we will see later when we discuss the user-defined functions in details